on this video, we talking about credit. You want to hear about it? Here you go. So this year, quarantine, well, first of all, if 2020 owe you a refund, say aye. Aye. Okay. 2020 has just been straight trash, y'all, and trying to get the silver lining in things and being home more than I normally would. I woke up one day and say, go for it. Start your own business. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Sneiko, also known as Sneiko the Diva, a beauty and lifestyle vlogger here over on YouTube. And I have a passion for candles and home decor. Flatware, stemware, rugs, curtains, all that, you name it. I just launched my own company called Diva Luxe. So Diva Luxe is starting with candles, and I have an Etsy store under Diva Deluxe as well. And my first round of candles would be ready for rollout on the 30th of June. One thing about candle making, once you make them, you have to set them up and let them cure. You can't pack them up and mail them off in a day or two. It's a process. It don't work like that, but it's a process I appreciate. I'm telling y'all this because something was put on watch. Something was put on notice. Credit. How is your credit? What's your credit score like? So I was one of these people that just knew, oh, your credit is bad. Well, it was. So 2013, when I got my amputation and all those, I had like almost $1 million in medical bills, y'all. My credit took a hit, which was horrible. And what is even worse is when you had good credit and you go to bad credit and trying to get that bad boy back. But let me tell y'all the things that I've been doing to help. Step 1, getting a copy of your credit report. You want to go to freecreditreport.com. You are allowed one report a year. That report is not going to come with your FICO. Okay? If you want your FICO, then go ahead to Experian.com and you are allowed a FICO once a year. If you just had your credit pulled somewhere, then you could get your FICO. But the thing is, you want the report from all 3 companies and you want to see what's on there and see what you could start eliminating. So surprisingly so, getting that credit report, there's so many things that have dropped off there. So talking to y'all on, what's today's date? On June 6th, I am now at a 635. When I started this process the beginning of March, I've been out of work since March 5th. I was at a 610. So, and I'm some simple things that I did to help boost me really, really fast. So I looked at the first deck that was on there. I went from earliest to latest, because the latest might be getting ready to fall off. So you want to deal with what's recent. So every week I would pay something off. Yeah, I had something on there as minor as $25. How did I didn't know that? From January 2020, a part of a deductible from the dentist in March had already hit my credit report. I was like, I never knew I owed them $25. Called, paid the $25 off. Then it was $200 for something, $245. So I paid all 3 of those. Okay, that was beginning of March. We are now June. So the end of March, I followed up with the deletion letter. This should be taken off because this has now been paid. April, I followed up. May, I followed up. Beginning of June, they're off, and my score has been listed. Second thing I did, I signed up with Experian Boost. Experian Boost will link your bank account and see what bills that you pay on a constant basis. Now I'm telling y'all, only do this if you pay your bills on time. So it tracked for me my Duke Energy, my T-Mobile, and Spectrum, right? Those are on auto pay. So every month it's like you're getting a good mark because you're paying on time. That helped. And then I went to my bank and got a $200 secure credit card. And just like that, my score went up about 30 something points, y'all. Another thing I want y'all to do, don't pay nobody to fix it. No. Those 3 things I told y'all I did boost my score almost automatically, and I was on the fence with 2 different companies to help me, and come to find out, sitting at a 610, you don't need no help. You just need documentation of what you're doing and pay those shit off. So here's the sacrifice. If you can take $200 every month and go to Body Bath and Body and buy ass and stuff, take that $200 and pay that old bill. And that's what I did. Okay? So we're going to come back. We're going to have a segment every month. We're going to do coffee chat talking about credit. Because I want, by December, I want to be at a 750. Because moving to a new city, I'm trying to be in a position to where I move, I don't have to possibly rent, and I'm working with a realtor now, which she's finding me things, and it's like I could afford these things, but it's going to look even better when you're sitting in that 7 something and almost that 8, and we can do it. Black girl magic. We believe in credit. You know, we don't have to pay cash for everything. We want that good credit as well. So I'm going to see y'all back on here in a month. Any questions, drop them below, or follow me at Sneiko the Diva on IG. And the little things that I've been doing, I will be glad to help. And again, we ain't paying nobody for this. I ain't knocking nobody business who said a quote-unquote credit repair. But what I've learned is, in most states, if somebody's running a credit repair business, it is illegal. And that's that on that. I'm going to see y'all on the next one. So what I'm doing today is giving you the shakedown, the breakdown, the specs on the foundation and a wear test, because I have to go run some errands.